Narrator, calm, reflective. This is a question that has haunted humanity for as long as we've looked up into the night sky. A question so vast, so confusing, that it challenges the limits of our imagination itself. What lies beyond the boundaries of the observable universe? It's a question that becomes even more urgent today, in a time when we understand that Earth, our small blue home, may not remain habitable forever. If our planet cannot protect us forever, what awaits us outside our cosmic bubble? Is there a great void, an endless nothingness, or could there be another universe, perhaps not unlike our own? Today, we explore 5 astonishing, plausible, yet unproven theories about what lies beyond everything we can see. But before we cross that boundary, we must first understand what the observable universe actually is. If you enjoy thought-provoking journeys into the cosmos, support us with a thumbs up, subscribe to Simply Space, and stay tuned. The universe has many secrets left to reveal. Milky Way, what is the observable universe? Before we imagine the beyond, we must understand the limit itself. The observable universe includes all space from which light has had enough time to reach us since the very beginning of cosmic time, the Big Bang. Our universe is approximately 13.772 billion years old, meaning that light from anything farther away than that distance has simply not had enough time to arrive here. Think of it like trying to read a letter before it has even been written. The light is still on its way, across unimaginable distances, and so those regions remain invisible to us. But the darkness beyond this limit isn't caused by a lack of technology. It is not because our telescopes are too weak. No upgrade, no new satellite, no future invention can directly show us what lies beyond this boundary. It is a fundamental limit of physics. The speed of light acts as the universe's ultimate speed limit. We cannot observe anything beyond the distance that light has traveled. And there is yet another layer. The universe is expanding, and not only expanding, but accelerating. Millions of galaxies are rushing away from us faster and faster, carried by the stretching fabric of space. This means the boundary itself, the edge of visibility, is constantly moving away. A radio signal sent from Earth today, no matter how long it travels, would never reach the universe's edge. So imagine, if you could fly toward this boundary, racing through galaxies, star clusters, and cosmic filaments. What would you actually see? Let's explore the most fascinating theories. Medium white star theory 1. Outside the universe lies a great, infinite emptiness. Dark ambient tone. Fade to black visuals. One possibility is both simple and terrifying. Beyond the universe, there might be nothing. Not empty space. Not darkness. Not vacuum. Not energy. But true nothingness. This concept is almost impossible for the human mind to grasp. Even imagining a pitch-black void is still imagining something, a place, a location, a background. But real nothingness is the absence of all existence. It has no energy, no temperature, no space, no time. It cannot be observed, described, or measured. It is not a black room. It is the absence of the room. Could such pure nothingness exist? As far as we know, everything measurable in nature is finite. Even numbers that approach infinity never truly reach it. So the idea of an infinite nothingness is deeply disturbing, but not impossible. This theory suggests that our universe is a bubble of something expanding into a sea of absolute nothing. But where did the bubble come from? How did something emerge from nothing? This leads us to the second theory. Medium white star theory 2. Our universe is inside a black hole. Visual. Swirling accretion disk, dramatic pulse of light. Black holes are among the most mysterious objects in existence. They are created when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, compressing matter into a singularity, a point of infinite density. At the edge of a black hole is the event horizon, a boundary from which nothing, not even light, can escape. What lies beyond that event horizon remains hidden. Even today, with modern physics, we cannot truly describe it. But what if our entire universe lies inside one? Consider this. Our universe is expanding, and the farther away a galaxy is, the faster it moves. This resembles the behavior of space-time inside a black hole, where the pull-in will become so extreme that every path leads toward the singularity. Some physicists propose that the rapid expansion of our universe may be caused by the gravitational forces of a parent universe outside the black hole we inhabit. In 2015, theoretical physicist Nikodem Poplarski suggested an extraordinary idea. Our universe may have been born from the collapse of a massive star in another universe. As the star collapsed, its core was crushed into an unimaginably dense state. But instead of remaining trapped, that compressed matter may have undergone a rebound, exploding outward inside the black hole to form a new universe. This rebirth event could be what we call the Big Bang. In other words, a black hole in one universe could be a Big Bang in another. Imagine each universe giving birth to new universes through black holes, a cosmic family tree stretching into eternity. If this theory is true, then beyond the boundary of our universe might lie the interior of a much larger, older universe, one we can never reach or observe. Medium white star theory 3, the multiverse, countless universes beyond our own. What if our universe is not unique? What if it's just one bubble among countless others? The multiverse theory suggests that the observable universe is a tiny pocket within an infinitely larger reality. In this model, different universes may have different laws of physics, different forms of matter, different dimensions, different versions of time, or no time at all. Some could be smaller than atoms, others could be infinitely large. Some may be full of life, others completely empty. If universes collide, they might leave scars, patterns in cosmic background radiation that some scientists believe they have already detected. If this theory is correct, the boundary of our observable universe is simply the edge of our bubble, and many others lie beyond. Medium white star theory 4, space is curved. Beyond the edge lies more universe. Light uplifting tone, star fields bending. Another possibility is that the universe has no edge at all, just as the surface of Earth curves, making the horizon seem like an edge even though none exists. The fabric of the universe may also be curved. If the cosmos curves back on itself, then traveling in one direction long enough might bring you back to where you started. In this case, the region beyond our observable universe is simply more universe, repeating endlessly. We cannot see it because light has not had time to travel the full loop. Imagine living on a planet so vast you never notice the curvature, but it's still there. In a curved universe, there is no outside. There is only more of the same. Medium white star theory 5, higher dimensions. Our universe is a 3D shadow. Finally, the most mind-bending theory. Our universe may exist inside a higher dimensional structure, like a flat shadow projected by a 4D or 5D world. This is the idea behind brain cosmology and string theory. According to this model, our universe is a brain floating in a higher dimensional space. Other brands may float alongside ours, parallel universes. Sometimes these brands collide, causing Big Bang-like events. To a 2D creature living on a sheet of paper, a sphere appears as a circle. To us, a higher dimensional universe may appear as everything. If this is correct, then outside our universe is an entire dimensional realm we cannot see or touch, yet it contains a structure that shapes our reality. Milky Way conclusion, the mystery remains. Soft, reflective music returns. We may never know what lies beyond the observable universe. Perhaps it is nothingness. Perhaps a parent universe, perhaps countless parallel realities, or perhaps the universe curves back on itself in a grand cosmic loop. But the mystery itself is what drives us to explore. As long as we keep looking upward, as long as we ask questions, as long as we wonder what lies beyond, human curiosity will continue to push us forward. One day, we may uncover the truth. But for now, we stand at the edge of knowledge, looking into a darkness we cannot yet penetrate. And that unknown is what makes the universe so beautifully alive.